How to import fonts in CapCut. Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. Want to use custom fonts in CapCut on your phone? Here's a super quick guide to help you import fonts and level up your edits. So let's get started. First, download a font you like from a trusted website. Once it's downloaded, open it in your Files app. If it's a zip file, tap it to extract and you will see the font file usually in the .ttf or .otf format. Next, open CapCut and go to Text, then Fonts and tap the +8 font option. Select the font file from your Files app and it will upload instantly. And there you have it. Your custom font is now ready to use in CapCut. If this video helped you, please don't forget to give this video a like and subscribe to our channel. And let me know your favorite font in the comments. Thank you for watching and we will see you again in the next video.